So normally I don't get involved in fads like an ice bucket challenge, but unfortunately I was trying to help a friend do this challenge and I was videotaping them and I screwed up and didn't get the videotaping done when they actually put a bucket of ice on their head. So I felt guilty and I also got called out for that misstep. So as a result of that, I am now calling out some of my friends. Here's the way it's going to go with me. I will pay $50 for each individual on this list that does this challenge. Okay, so here we go. That's everybody. Here's my bucket. Here's my ice. And my complete lack of regard for myself. Oh, by the way, I'm going to post this money to the Breast Cancer Research Association. Are we ready? I can't even lift this up. 1, 2, goodbye, sanity. Oh my goodness. You owe me, guys.